good morning. Today is our last day dito sa BGC. We're gonna be checking out in 2 hours.
Really?
And then we're gonna head to Talisay. It's been a fun 5 days, 4 nights
We're
dito
gonna
sa BGC.
We're gonna sleep?
So we'll see you Talisay later. Okay guys, nag-stop over kami sa Mang Inasal. Second time around. It's lunchtime na kasi. Medyo hungry na. And we have about 45 minutes drive pa papunta ng Talisay. And we are here. Kunyari, bibili tayo. Pabili po! Magkano po yung pancit canton po?
Matanda na yung nagbebenta eh.
Hello po! Uy, Special Lola! Tulog pa po si Ellis. Nasa car. Tingnan natin kung magigising natin. Hey, sir! Good morning! We're here at Talisay! Aray ko! Basta sa mga lola, go! Scramble, let's go! So guys, dito tayo sa house ng parents ni Tito June. Tita Mylene is right there from yesterday, right?
Wait. They look the same. They look the same.
Uy, crazy like that. Guys, papakita namin sa inyo ang Talisay. Let's go fly the drone!
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call?
So guys, we decided pumunta sa bagong pinapatayong bahay ni Tatay Jerry. Right here. Ayan o, ganda. Builder na si Tatay. Builder. Dati wala tong. Ito lang yung bahay na nakatayo dyan. Wow, kitchen. I like it. Yeah, he's building it for us. Oh, this is our room. Gagawin na natin yung transition. Oh, wala pa. Aircon, ano na yung aircon? Mayroon pang, wow, may ensuite.
It's not done.
Wow, may ensuite. Ayos yung contractor, hindi pinapakit, no?
Wala kang bayad eh.
Logi pa yung contractor.
Daddy, we're gonna sleep here.
No, we're not gonna sleep here. In the future, we're gonna sleep here, yeah. Maybe one more year. Yeah, next year. Wow, ayos. Pinapakita sa atin yung blueprint. Ayan.
Ano mangyayari dyan? Ito, kwarto nyo.
Mama?
You wanna see Lola's house?
Yes.
Maglalagay ng kubo rito.
Let's go to Mommy Lola's house.
I don't wanna be disrespectful to Tatay.
Why would you be disrespectful to Tatay? His house is not finished yet.
Let's finish his house.
Soon, yeah, soon. Ang laki ng lupa nila, magkakamag-anak po sila dito. All the way there, all the way to that corner. Noong 2019, nagstay kami dito. So guys, ito yung bahay nila Tito yung kabilang side. Ganda pa din eh. Linis pa din eh, oh. Ganda, no? Ito yung washroom. Another bedroom. Ito yung terrace nila. Terrace. So nice. So Filipino. So guys, dito sa street ni April, merong palaro yung mga barangay para sa mga bata. Nag-ano sila. Pukpuk palayok. Wala pa nakakatama. Ending the night with balot and penoy. Let's go.